The term Dasara in Sanskrit Dasahara means the defeat of the evil and removal 10 bad qualities within a person. Dasara is celebrated in the month of Ashwin, which is the 10th month of Hindu calendar. It's a 9-day festivity which involves various celebrations of good over evil and ends on the auspicious 10th day, which is known as Vijayadashami. The southernmost part of India, in state of Tamil Nadu, Dasara is called as Dolu. Thank you.
On Dasara, effects of Ravana, Kumbhakarna are prepared and filled with crackers. In the evening, the effects are burnt. This is end of war between Rama and Ravana. Thank you.
A collective of 9 avatars of the deity called Navadurga is worshipped during Navaratri. Durga Puja honors the goddess's demonstrating form known as Mahishasuramardini. Dasara is known as Navaratri. This is celebrated across Indian households to spread happiness, joy and triumph. Dasara is the most popular Hindu festival which is celebrated for 10 days. Dasara signifies the victory of Lord Ram over the demon Ravana in the Indian epic of Ramayana. Dasara coincides with the culmination of the 9-day Navaratri festival and with the 10th-day Durga Puja festival. Both Navaratri and Durga Puja festival involve prayers offered to Goddess Durga, a principal form of the supreme goddess in Hinduism. Gayatri Devi symbolizes the essence of sun's divine energy and embodying the Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva and the combined powers of Saraswati, Parvati and Lakshmi. Annapurna Devi symbolizes nourishment, sustenance, abundance and prosperity, representing the divine provider of food and materials, well-being in Hinduism. Her imagery, often with a bowl of food and a ladder. Mahalakshmi Devi symbolizes wealth, prosperity, beauty, purity and abundance, both material and spiritual.
Lalita Devi symbolizes in clothes being the Adiparashakti, the cosmic energy and representing the universal beauty, grace and the power and serving as a protector by destroying the demons Bandasura.
The avatar of Saraswati is a symbolic manifestation as the Hindu gods of knowledge, music, art and wisdom with each aspect of iconography and significant meaning. Bala Tripura Sundari symbolizes the innocent yet youthful forms of the divine feminine as the ultimate goddess of beauty, wisdom and power. Chandi Devi symbolizes the supreme power of good over evil, representing the destructive yet benevolent force that maintains cosmic order by eliminating the negativity and protecting the righteous. As a first manifestation of the Divine Mother, she embodies power, courage and ultimate victory, particularly highlighted in the Devi Mahatmya.
Katyayani Devi symbolizes inner strength, courage and the power to overcome evil and obstacles. As the form of the warrior goddess Durga, she embodies fierce determination, feminine empowerment and the ability to bring forth divine word to restore dharma.
Durga embodies the supreme feminine Parashakti and symbolizes the victory of the power, acting as a protector against evil forces and source of strength, wisdom and devotees. Thank you.